Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take YouGlow Babe Glutathione. This popular supplement is designed to help you achieve a radiant glow from within. It's a powerful blend featuring glutathione, collagen, and vitamin C, working together to support your skin, boost your immune system, and enhance your overall wellness. We'll cover everything you need to know for optimal results. For optimal results, it's generally recommended to take 1 to 2 capsules of YouGlow Babe Glutathione daily. Many find it beneficial to take their capsules either on an empty stomach in the morning, about 30 minutes before breakfast, or before bedtime. Some users prefer a split dose, taking 1 capsule before breakfast and a second one before they go to sleep, to maximize its effects throughout the day and night. YouGlow Babe Glutathione is packed with powerful ingredients. Glutathione, a master antioxidant, helps brighten your skin and detoxify your body. Collagen works to improve skin elasticity and reduce the look of wrinkles, while vitamin C is crucial for boosting collagen production and strengthening your immune system. This synergistic blend also includes alpha-lipoic acid and other beneficial components, all contributing to a healthier, more radiant you. Before incorporating any new supplement, it's vital to consider a few important guidelines. YouGlow Babe Glutathione is intended for adult use only. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any existing medical conditions, please consult with your physician before starting. Remember, supplements are not a substitute for medication. Always store your capsules in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.